Hey, hello, crypto ambassadors. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're joining me from, depending on your time zone. All right, so quickly, I want to just show us once and for all how to perform an identity transfer on Bybit. For those of you that have been asking me, how do I do transfer of identity? How do I get under you and everything? So here's the video for you. So first thing you want to do is you locate the link, my Bybit link. You can get it from this community, DJ and inshallah, you can get it from our community right there. And then you create a new account. That's the first thing. So you create a new account, and once you create a new account right here, don't verify it. Do not verify that new account. Once you've created the new account, do not verify it. Once you verify it, you cannot perform the the identity transfer. It's as good as it is as good as you just fund the account. So you open a new account, make sure you don't verify it, and then you go over to your Bybit, your former account on Bybit. After creating the new account with a new email and a new phone number or every other thing, remember, do not verify it. Then you go to your old account. Let's say this is my old account, for example. You come to identity verification. You come to identity verification, and you click on it. Right here, you're going to see identity transfer over here. You're going to see identity transfer. So you click on identity transfer and you do your facial verification. After doing your facial verification, okay, let's say I do my facial verification now. Just give me a minute. So I've done my facial verification. Now you're going to see the instruction here. It says, please ensure that all your open positions are closed before proceeding with identity transfers. So if you're trading any coin currently, close it. Right? Then after a successful identity transfer, you cannot transfer your identity again for 180 days. The account to receive the identity verification must be unverified. Read this thing very well, because this is where a lot of you fail to get this. So that's why I said the new account you created under me, first of all, you have to create an account under me, a new account, but do not verify it. So you can see here that the account to receive the identity verification must be unverified, and then within 24 hours after the identity transfer, both the source account and the target account are are restricted from withdrawing funds. And then the fifth thing there is, after the transfer is complete, the source account will no longer be verified. All the rewards in your previous account will be forfeited and cannot be transferred to the new account. Please claim any remaining reward before transferring your identity verification and blah blah. So that's it. So once you do that, you click on confirm. Now the email address here is not my email address, as a lot of you are asking me for my email. It's not my own. It's the email address of the new account that you created, right? So the new account that you created, you are going to take that email address and you're going to put it here and then click on confirm. So once you've done that, once you've been able to transfer the identity, your funds, the funds you have in your previous account, will be moved to the new account within 24 hours, and that is all. So it's that simple, guys. So please make sure you follow this process. Remember, the first thing is you want to just click on the link, create a new account. Like I said, just simple. Use a new email, use a new password, create it, and do not log in into it, so that you won't go to verify. Do not log in into it. Just create it and then copy that email address, that your email address for the new account. Keep it, go to your old account and just perform the identity verification, and that's all. All right, so I hope this video helps you guys. If you have any question, you can also drop below in the comment section, and then do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe, click on the subscribe button, turn on the post notification, and also drop your comments and also drop a like on the video. Thank you very much, guys. I'll see you next time. Remember, my name is Chijoke Daniel Obina, your number one crypto analyst, your number one crypto profitable investor and trader. Thank you.